Chapter 1: The Boy with No English. Today, let's begin with a story of a boy who moved to America with no English, no money, and no idea that he would one day become one of the most powerful people in the tech world. Jensen Huang was born in Taiwan in 1963. When he was just a child, his family moved to Thailand. And at the age of 9, he and his older brother were sent to the United States for a better education. But it wasn't what they expected. The two boys were placed in a Baptist boarding school in a small town in Kentucky where Jensen had to clean toilets to earn his keep. He didn't speak English well, he missed home, and every day was a challenge. But instead of complaining, Jensen learned. He worked hard, he listened, and he never gave up. Chapter 2: Finding his passion in engineering. Jensen eventually moved to Oregon, finished high school at 16, and entered Oregon State University. There he discovered something he loved: electrical engineering. He wasn't the smartest student in the room, but he was one of the most passionate. He studied hard, earned a master's degree from Stanford, and began working in chip design. He later said, "I loved the idea that a few lines of code or circuit design could change the world." Chapter 3: A Denny's Napkin and a Dream. In 1993, at a small Denny's restaurant in California, Jensen sat with two friends. They had an idea. Computers were getting faster, games were getting more realistic, and graphics cards were still terrible. So they dreamed of building the best GPU, a graphics processing unit, in the world. They called their new company NVIDIA. At first, nobody believed in them. They had little money, no brand name, no guarantee of success. But Jensen didn't care. He believed that if you can see the future clearly, the world will follow. Every great company starts with a few people and a big idea. Chapter 4: Betting on the Future and Winning. Most people thought NVIDIA would stay in gaming. But Jensen had a different vision. He believed that GPUs could be used for something even bigger: artificial intelligence. So he poured money, time, and talent into AI research. For 10 years, there were no results. People said it was a waste, but Jensen kept going. And one day it all changed. AI researchers realized that NVIDIA GPUs were perfect for deep learning. The company's value exploded. Jensen once said, "We didn't get lucky. We just kept building when no one was watching." Chapter 5: Leading with Humility. Today, Jensen Huang is a billionaire, but he doesn't act like one. He doesn't have a private office. He walks around the company, talks to people, and eats in the cafeteria. He believes in horizontal leadership, not top-down orders. He often says, "I hire smart people, and then I listen." He also teaches that success is not about being the smartest, but about being willing to learn and adapt every single day. Leadership to him means walking with people, not above them. Chapter 6: What we can learn. So what can we learn from Jensen Huang? First, work ethic beats talent. He scrubbed toilets and became a tech leader. Second, believe in the future. He saw AI before the world did. Third, stay humble. Success didn't change him. It made him more responsible. His life shows that the biggest limits are not outside of us, no, they are inside. And the greatest tool we have is our willingness to learn.